Once you come to the website, you'll have to go to dashboard first, and then you'll find this option, no teams yet. So you have to create a team first. So we are creating a team. We'll name our team as it is, as our business name, and create team. So here next we'll find no chatbots yet. That means we'll have to create our first chatbot from here. So click on here, then rename the chatbot. And I am placing the values here. So I have to put the category of my business here so that the bot can understand what I actually want. So I am selecting as from here. And you can also put your vision description here. At this moment, I'm skipping and going to next. Then in the next step, we can customize our chatbot. And here we see the welcome message. You can also customize it. And you can also put custom instructions from the for the chatbot for users. So you can put a long description for the chatbot here, instruction from your end. Afterwards, you'll have to choose the auth mode. So you can go anonymous or choose the email. If you choose email option from here, email required, then user will need to input their email for starting the chat. So I am putting anonymous here at first. Then we can choose the widget position. It's bottom right or bottom left. I'm going for bottom right at this moment. Afterwards, we can select our brand color. So from here, I'm going for random color. And we can also enable voice chat here. And if we use voice chat, it will cost 2x credits from here. So we can also put it if we want to implement it in the chatbot. Then we'll go to next state. So here we have seen the summary of our setup. Afterwards, we'll just have create chatbot. Our chatbot is creating, and once it's created, we can just go to the install option and copy the code from here and paste on our destination. So moreover, we can also add knowledge base to our chatbot. That means we can upload PDF or doc files. We can also use a website URL here. So I'm putting my website URL at first. Once we put the website URL, then the chatbot will automatically put data from here. Okay, we can also name it add website. Once we add, it will process and add to our list. So once it's added to our list, our chatbot will use data from this website whenever a user or customer asks it any question. So it's completed. We see a green signal here. Then we can also set up some FAQs. FAQs means frequently asked questions, and you can put 5 FAQ as featured, which will be shown to the chatbot from the beginning. And you can also put almost 10 FAQs from basic pack. And once you upgrade your package, it will increase the limit of uses. So we can also customize the FAQ section from here. So I'm skipping this at this moment. Then again, we'll get settings in the dashboard and we'll get customize option. So from these options, we can customize the chatbot furthermore, and we can use it as we want. So this is all about the chatbot creation and implementation. And if you have any questions, you can reach us out through the support channels, and we're here to help you. Okay, thank you. That's all.